everyone, so today I am unboxing the Sunkissed advent calendar. It is very pretty this year. This is this year's advent calendar. It is in the same shape as it normally is. It's very pretty. I love it. Love the packaging. This was £24.99 on the very, so £25. I have seen it kicking around somewhere else, but I can't remember where. But this is I bought from the very website. Yeah, and we're going to unbox it anyways. So let's just see what's in this advent calendar. So this advent calendar works out at £1 a day. I'm sorry if it's dark. I'm trying my hardest not to have my lights on because they are just giving such a horrible glare. Yeah, so we're just going to work with what we have. The sun's coming in and out, so fingers crossed it's good for us. So £1 a day in anyway, so really budget friendly. So we want day number 1, which is here. Oh my god, this looks stunning. Definitely different colours to last year. This is one of their tiny little quaddy things. Stunning. I want to check what colours I've got from last year before, because I've unboxed a few of these before I actually like try these, but I normally do a testing video. They've got like little stars or flowers pressed into them. I don't know if you can see that. Stunning. What beautiful. And it says it's vegan. That's fab. So that's day number 1. We want day number 2. Can you see it anywhere? Day number 2 is here. Oh, dearie me. This is not off to a good start. My god. Day number 2 is this. This is not worth £1. Yeah, it's just a clip. I used the last one, not just for like sectioning hair and that. But yeah, it's not something I want to pay £1 for, and it's not something I think is worth £1. So yeah, I'm not happy with that. So we went day number 3. It's up here. Oh, what are you? We have got a bronzer. This is so much darker than last year's bronzer. It is definitely a bit for deeper skin tones in my opinion. I don't know whether that's picking up. It's got a really pretty flower design on, but yeah, that is really quite dark compared to last year's bronzer, but I like that it's a bit more inclusive, I suppose. You could use it as an eyeshadow if it's too dark for you or too light for you, things like that. That's why I really like powder products, because you can kind of multi-use them, and when it's working out so cheap a day, it's not so much of a problem, you know. So that's day number 3. We want day number 4, which is up here. We have got a sparkly nail file. I really like these. I see this every year. I've got loads now though, and I really think it's quite pretty, but is it worth £1? I've got fluff in my hair. I don't think it's worth £1, but I will use this and it will go in my purse. That's number 4. We want number 5, which is here. We have got some nail stickers, and I was literally having this discussion with my friend Claire about these being the exact same ones as last year, and I think she is totally right. Yeah, I love nail stickers, and I used the last ones I got last year, but do I want to pay £1 for this tiny little packet of nail stickers? But I do like nail stickers, but yeah, I wish there were more nail stickers or something different. But yeah, it's better than that clip. That was number 5. We want day number 6. It's up here. Come on. It's the only thing is, it's really an awkward advent calendar to open. Day number 6 is this Sunkissed lipstick palette. I don't like these at all, if I'm being 100% honest. Yeah, they're just not for me, these sort of things. So that will be definitely one that I do not keep. That was day number 6. We want day number 7. It's down here. We have got a lipstick. Love the packaging of everything, the peachy packaging actually. It doesn't have a shade or anything. It looks so similar to the one in last year, so I'm not going to swatch it. These are quite a creamy lipstick. They don't like stay put on your lips, but they're quite nice if you like a creamy lipstick, and they're not really that bad with formula either, to be honest, you know, for the price you're paying. So that was day number 7. We want day number 8, which is this one here. We have got something different. I don't think we've ever gotten this before. This is the Sunkissed highlighter cream. This is definitely different. We've never had this before, so this is exciting. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to really try and get my nail in. So yeah, this is different. Oh, I'm excited. We've never had this product before, so this is it, yeah. Wow. I would use that as a cream eyeshadow. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Even underneath your foundation. Buzzing with that. Very excited about that. Definitely happy with that for £1. That was 8. We want day number 9. Is this one here. We have got, where's my little helper? I was scared that was gonna like come out at me. We have got a squeezy tube lip gloss in like a nude shade. Really pretty shade, but definitely not one that I like. I seem like I gravitate towards a red lip. I think it's because I'm so pale. That was 9. We want 10, which is down here. If we can get into it. Oh, and we have got a highlighter. This looks a little bit deeper as well, if I'm being honest. That isn't there, but it looks so pretty. Yeah. Oh, you know, I'm liking this. So that is 10. We want day number 11, which is up here. We have got another lipstick, and this is in like a brownie shade, yeah. Not for me, but really nice. I love the packaging of everything, really do. That was 11. We want 12. It's down here. Oh no. I thought these were a thing of the past. This is what we got in day number 12. Oh my god, the whole thing has come out. Yeah, so I'm not overly impressed with that brush. Oh my god. That was day number 12. We want day number 13. Yeah. We have got another little eyeshadow quad, and this is a really pretty one. This advent calendar is moving like no other. You can really see the flower design in this one. Really pretty. The sparkle on the Sunkissed eyeshadows are beautiful, by the way, as well. So that was day number 13. We want day number 14, which is here. Oh, dearie me. Yeah, we snapped the spoolie. We have got the Sunkissed mascara. The only thing I really dislike is that they don't put their actual own mascaras that they sell as a product. They always put this little cheapy one in, which really lets it down. Packaging's are really pretty on it though. But yeah, I think it really lets their calendars down in my opinion. So that was 14. We want day number 15, which is up here. Oh, now this looks pretty. This is a blusher. same, quite a deep shade again. I'm going to swatch this one because this looks stunning, and I don't think they had one this shade last year. Wow, yeah, I think that would definitely be one that I would have to use when I was a bit more tan. I'm quite excited about that. Really, really pretty, yeah. So that was, what, 15? We want 16 is here. Oh, we have got one of these little bobbly things. I actually really like these bubbles things, but yeah, I don't want one, I would like 3 at least. But I mean, it's better than that clip, yeah. Okay, so that was 16. We want 17. We have got another lip gloss. This is it. Yeah, it looks so similar. Virtually the same. Oh no, they're definitely different, but I mean not too different, you know. That was 16. No, that was 17, sorry. So we're on 18, which is this one here. We have got a sharpener. It's just a pretty standard sharpener. It's basically what they have in every year. Apart from this one is in this year's colour scheme. That was 18. We want 19. It's this one here. We have got another beautiful eyeshadow quad. The eyeshadow quads are stunning. This is it here. Oh my god, that is so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. That was 19. We want D number 20. It's this one here. I'm just gonna go like this. We've got another eyeshadow quad. They're not shy on the eyeshadow quads this year. And this one isn't as sparkly, but it still looks nice. That's 20. We want 21, which is this one here. We've got another one. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That is it there. So pretty. That was 21. We want 22. This one here. We have got the nail crystals. You seem to get these every year. Oh, we seem to get these every year. And that is them there. You get like a tiniest amount. I wish they would actually fill the container up. But yeah, they're just little nail gems. Gems you could use, put on your face if you use eyelash glue, vice versa. Yeah. That was 21, 21, 22, 22. We want 23, which is this one here. We have got something else that I've never seen before. This is a contour cream, so it's a cream contour. Ooh, so this is what it looks like here. Oh my god, I'm really excited about this. They're switching it up, isn't that good? Wow, that's dark. I think that is a bit dark, but I'm going to just dab it on my finger like that, because you've got to think I scooped it. And what would it look like? Oh yeah, so if you dab it on your finger and then use it like that instead of just like a big scoop splotted on, that actually looks really nice. So I'm actually quite excited about that. Just don't go heavy on it. Yes, very excited about that. Day number 24, which is this one here. Oh my god. My god. They were doing so well. They were doing so well. Just little 2 sponge applicators. I suppose at least we got more than one. But yeah. And then 25 is this one here. So it is a full size. It is a full size bronzing powder. Now this looks different than normal years. This looks a little bit darker in my opinion. Yeah, but I normally, the Sunkissed bronzers are normally my favourites. I'm going to go and get the one that we got in last year's and I'm going to compare it. So I'm back. So this is this year's and this is last year's. They're definitely different shades. I'm not going to swatch this one because I think it will be a bit too dark for me. but I absolutely love Sunkissed bronzers. Like, their bronzers are one of their bronzer, actually one of their bronzer is my favourite bronzer, not this one, but I think this one is the same as that one, the one that is my favourite. But yeah, so this is definitely deeper, and it's got a little bit of shimmer going through it, as you can see. But I do love the Sunkissed bronzers. The formula is really nice, it lasts a good amount of time, and it's pretty much the ones that I reach for. Yeah, so if this wasn't as dark, I probably would have kept it, but I think I'm gonna, it might not be as dark on the skin, but yeah, so it's definitely different to last year's, for sure. I've definitely noticed the shades are a bit deeper in this year's. But yeah, what do I think of this advent calendar? I like how they've put a cream contour in. I like how they put that cream like highlighter thing in. I really like how they've made changes, so they're improving, but at the price point it is at, especially because like I've unboxed, so have I unboxed, like the Pretty Little Thing one was 45, but you're getting like proper brand, proper product. I just think it's a bit, I appreciate that they're improving and stuff like that, but I still think £25 is a lot, and I feel like they need to get rid of that dodgy brush, the dodgy sponges, the clip, or maybe use all them and put them in one day together and then give us other things. Yeah, that's my opinion. But I think like a young teenager would love that. And I mean, I'm excited about the cream highlight and the cream bronzer and stuff. But if you've had previous years, I don't think you need this year's, even though it's very similar. The eyeshadows look very similar, apart from them couple of different things. So yeah, I'm on the fence about it. It's £25 this day and age is a lot of money for some things, and I feel like, yeah, I feel like you could get better for a little bit more, but for a certain age group I think it's good. Yeah, that's my kind of 2 pence on it. It's really, you've got to decide on yourselves, you know. But I'll have a link down below for you. I will try and find the cheapest price possible for you, because I feel like I have seen it at £16, and I feel like at £16 mark I think it would be alright. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.